Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your cooktop screw. The reason why you would have to do this is because the screw is damaged or missing. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using for this repair. It's a Whirlpool. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So the screw we need to replace is going to be underneath this burner. So we're going to remove the grate first. And remove the burner cap and burner. And you can see right here, this is a pretty badly rusted screw. So I'm going to remove this screw. And when I do this, I want to do this carefully, just making sure that I don't break it. And if I do get some resistance, I can use a little bit of rust buster. This one seems like it's going to come out just fine. And we can get rid of that old screw. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement cooktop screw. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And we're just going to put this screw right where the other one was, making sure that the holes still line up, and screwing it down. And once that screw is nice and tight, you can grab the burner and burner cap, and we'll put that back on. I'm just going to line up that hole with the igniter, put the burner cap on, and put the grate on. And just like that, your repair is complete. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.